Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You've connected your iPhone and opened CarPlay. Now get maps ready. First, plug in or pair and accept CarPlay on your phone. Once done, make sure location and cellular access are enabled so maps can load live data. Next, tap Maps on the CarPlay screen and wait for the map tiles to appear. If the map is blank, toggle cellular or Wi-Fi briefly on your phone and verify the car display recognizes the device. You're selecting where to go and fine-tuning the route. Say, "Hey Siri," and speak the address, or type using CarPlay's keyboard before you start driving. After Maps shows options, compare ETA and tap the preferred route. Make sure to glance at traffic colors for delays. If you need stops, add a waypoint or drag an intermediate destination in the list. Also adjust route preferences to avoid tolls or highways so the navigation matches your needs. You're approaching the end of navigation. Follow the spoken directions and lane guidance to make the final maneuvers. When you arrive, tap End or share your ETA with contacts directly from the CarPlay interface to let others know you're there. If something goes wrong, like missing voice prompts, wrong position, or dropped connection, restart your phone, disconnect and reconnect the cable, and reboot the car's infotainment system if needed. These steps resolve most CarPlay Maps issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.